What is an example of a dirty trick that a thief tried but backfired when they saw your dog? Not my dog and not my story, but this dog really ruined someone's day. A friend of mine was visiting New York to house sit for an old friend. It was a bittersweet trip because the owner's elderly dog was very sick and likely to pass away while she was there. Sure enough, the dog passed peacefully one night. The owner had left instructions and a suitcase to use for transporting the dog's remains. My friend gently placed the dog in the suitcase and began lugging it to the subway. Though my friend is pretty strong, she's not very tall, and the suitcase was large and heavy with the dog inside. She was struggling to haul it onto the subway when suddenly a big guy appeared, grabbed the suitcase and ran off. My friend was left stunned. When she called the dog's owner to tell her what happened, the owner burst out laughing. Apparently, this was totally in character for the dog when he was alive, always managing to stir up chaos. I can only imagine the thief's face when he opened the suitcase, expecting a big score, only to find the lifeless body of a dog instead. Even in death, that dog pulled one last prank.